we live in this day and age where there's a huge advancement in technology and AI. And I think a lot of people are using the resources out there in terms of sprucing up the resume. I think there's a very, very careful balance. AI hasn't yet come to the point where it can completely rewrite one's resume, especially for finance and consulting. But I think where AI is helpful is in terms of small, minor phrasing and being a little bit more concise. And so it's using AI to an extent, but still having a manual human input. And I think where a lot of people struggle with this balance is they either fully utilize or embrace AI and they fully use it, or the people who completely just disregard AI. So I think it's somewhere in the middle, and I think we're still trying to find that in between point. But I think for the most part, at the end of the day, humans are still reading your resume, right? Recruiters or members of the team are, at least in finance and consulting. So having it too AI focused makes it noticeable for someone in the industry.